In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the click to add title placeholder in PowerPoint, making your slide design process a bit easier and more streamlined. If you're someone who often works with PowerPoint, you've probably come across those default text boxes that pop up every time you start a new slide. These boxes can sometimes get in the way, and knowing how to remove them can save you time and help in customizing your presentation more efficiently. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem obvious, but it's an essential first step to getting started with editing your slides. Once you have PowerPoint open, go ahead and open the specific presentation in which you want to remove the click to add title text box. You'll find this option under the File menu, or if you've recently worked on the presentation, it might appear in your recent files list. Selecting your presentation opens up your slides, each potentially with the default text boxes that PowerPoint provides to guide you in content creation. Now navigate to the slide that contains the click to add title placeholder you're looking to remove. This placeholder is usually present at the top middle section of your slide and often used to denote the slide title. If this is something you don't need, here's what you do. Click on the edge of the text box. It's important to click on the very edge because selecting the edge ensures that you have the whole box selected, rather than just putting the cursor inside the text area, which is crucial for the next step. After you've clicked on the edge of the text box and confirmed that it's the box itself that's selected and not just the text within, move on to pressing the backspace key on your keyboard. What this does is that it deletes the entire text box, thereby removing the placeholder from your slide entirely. This gives you a clean slate to work with and allows more freedom in designing your slide the way you want without being constrained by the pre-existing text boxes. And that's it, you've successfully deleted the click to add title box from your PowerPoint slide. This little trick can be particularly helpful when you're aiming for a minimalist design or need to repurpose a slide layout to something entirely different. Remember, this skill is not just about removing text boxes, it's about enhancing your presentation customization capabilities and giving you more control over the visual appearance of your slides. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful and that you feel more empowered to design your presentations your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.